If your getting Steam is currently experiencing issue in NBA 2K26, don't panic. This is a big Steam handshake bug after the latest update. These fixes come from the top Reddit threads and real players' comments. First, try the offline to online trick. Launch NBA 2K26 and stay on the error screen. Now disconnect your internet completely, turn off Wi-Fi or unplug your LAN cable. Wait around 30 seconds, then reconnect your internet and press connect again. This refreshes the Steam and 2K server handshake and fixes it for many players instantly. Still stuck? Try refreshing your network using CMD. Press Windows key and type CMD, right click it and run as administrator. Now type ipconfig/release, press enter, then type ipconfig/renew, press enter again. Go back into the game and try connecting. Next fix, sync your date and time. Go to settings, date and time, turn on set time automatically, then click sync now. Many users fix the connection issue just by syncing their PC clock. Last fix, verify game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click NBA2K26, click properties, go to install files, then click verify integrity of game files. This repairs broken update file causing the server error. Try this one by one and NBA2K26 should connect normally again. Bye bye.